Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will be talking about how to make a thumbnail for YouTube videos on mobile. So if you are new to my channel then please subscribe it. Now without wasting your time, let's get into our video. You just have to install an app named PicsArt, okay? I have already installed this app, so I will just open it. After that, you just have to click on this plus option. So if you are using this app for first time, then just click on this big canvas, okay? And these all are the dimensions, okay? So you can use any dimension, but as we are making thumbnail for YouTube, so I have selected this. And after that you can select any background from here. I will select this one and I will click on this arrow. Okay, so this is it. Just click on this arrow again and click on this edit image. After that you can add any picture or write any text here. So I will first add a picture here. I will click on this add photo. No, this is picture. Just write anything here. I will write as